Imagine landing on a website, you scroll, and the entire hero sections come alive like a 3D scene. The camera moves forward, the environment shifts, everything feels cinematic and immersive. And there's the crazy part. This entire hero section was created using AI. No Blender, no After Effects, no complex motion design, just four prompts. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build an immersive animated hero section using AI tools. In the last video, I told an AI animate my website, and this was the output we got. It was a very good animated website. It had micro animations and stuff too, and it literally turned a static website into an animated website. But today we are taking this way further. Instead of simple animations, we are going to build something that looks like a 3D hero experience where scrolling the page controls the animations. So when the user scrolls, the hero section plays a cinematic AI generated video frame by frame, which creates the illusion that the website itself is moving through a 3D world. And the entire system is built using four prompts and a few AI tools. Let me show you the workflow. So first of all, I'll talk about the prompts I will use. The prompt I have made by myself. So this are four different prompts. Firstly, we'll start with the first three prompts. So the first prompt is to generate your first frame of the video. So we'll use a reference image for it, a reference object or a reference person, I would say, for the video we want to be animated. So we'll take a reference image and use a tool like Gemini to generate our first frame. Use your reference image and give every detail what you want to be the first frame. So you will mention what is the object, what is the environment, what is the camera, lighting, everything. But I would say you can also do that. So you can go to ChatGPT and give the reference image and this prompt template and give your idea what you want. Like if you're telling a person, if there is a person, you want the reference image with a white background and the person on the right with someone or anything you can imagine or what you want, and tell him to fill this prompt. It will fill for you, and then you can use that prompt. So you do not need to do it manually. So this, after we have completed with this prompt, we'll get an image, the first frame of the video. After that, we'll use the first frame of the video and we will use as a reference in the second template. And in this, we will define what should be the last frame of the object, what should be the last thing we should see as the output. So you can imagine whatever you want to have as the last frame. And also you can once use ChatGPT and use this. So after you get the first frame and the last frame, we'll use the third template. Just will This two templates we can use in any image generator. So the third template we'll use is with the first frame and the last frame. We'll use both as the reference. We'll use Flow AI of Google to generate the image. We'll paste the first image and the last image, and it will generate our output. So let's begin with the tutorial. So this was the last thing we made. So I already have a reference image in which I have uploaded. So this is the reference image I will use. And I have already created the prompt for myself. So the prompt is simple, I would say. So if you can see, I have a red shirt here, but I have used a suit and tie. I will use a suit and tie here. And everything is subjected where the user should be facing and everything. So let me copy this and paste it here. So it will generate in few seconds only. So it is loading Nano Banana 2 and almost it will give so fastly. Let me open one tab once more, and in here I can copy the second prompt. This is the second prompt where the actor will be facing at the right. So this is the first prompt, the actor will be facing on the right side, and the second prompt will where the actor is facing on the right. So I'll copy this and paste it here. I think so we would had get, so we got this image. This is a good image again, so I will download it and also copy it and paste it here, and we will do the last frame of the image. So this is what we got as the first frame of the image, and now we'll at last get the last frame of the image. This is the image we got. Now we will use Flow. This AI tool generates images, generates video from images, a very cool tool, I think so. So we'll add a new project here. And oh, let me also download this. So this is the first frame and this is the last frame. So the video will start from here and end at here. In between, whatever the transition will be, it will be done by the flow. So from this image to this image, how the AI converts it, it's a great thing, I think so. So we'll paste both of the images here. We'll drop both of it. And I have also I'm done with the third prompt too. Just paste the prompt here. And as it is done, I will add from the start frame, we can just select it, and the end frame we will select from here. And just when we do next, it will generate us the images. Now it is generating two images because I have selected here two. It will generate two. So the the videos are generated, and let's check what the video looks. So this is the first video, and it looks great, I think so. And so I like this video more than that video, so I'll use this video. So what I can do, just we have to go here and click on download. I will do 1080p. So it will download the video soon. As the video will download, we'll go for the next step. So the video is downloaded. So for this thing, we need to convert the video into individual frames, because it will be easier to the AI to use photos, means use frames one by one and animate it. So we'll go to a website called easegif.com. Every link of the things we are using, every tool we are using, I will be giving them in the comments, their links in the comments. So we'll come here, and this is the website. We have to just drag and drop or select the file over here, and it will convert the video into individual frames. It's that easy. So it is uploading the video. After the uploadation, it will give us the frames. So this is the frames we'll get. Just we don't have to do anything over here. Just convert to JPG. That's all. And the zip file will be done. We'll just have to take the zip file in our folder. We'll use there. So I downloaded the zip file. Now I'll cut it from here. Let me paste it in the folder. I've pasted in. So I got the zip file here. Let me extract it in this folder. So as we extract this file, we'll get all the frames we want from the first and the last frame. So all the manual work we had to do is completed. Now just we have to give the AI the last prompt to use these frames and make a hero section for us. So the last prompt is for our agent of anti-gravity. So this is a very normal prompt where you have to be specific about the folder where the frames are stored. I already named the folder frame, and the pattern of the frames, like if you see here, the frames are named like ease diff dash frame dash 001. You can just copy from here the first name of the first frame and paste it, and with the specifier also. Then the total number of frames you have to specify. So we have 40 frames over here. Then this is the things. So you don't have to change anything of this. The next thing just comes is the text content. So all the websites like our this website have this text over here. We have to still let it remain over here. So we have to specify it that the text over here should remain the same as it is. So we'll specify the text over here too. And there are small details if you want to change about the colors and things. So it will change you that also. So I have also filled this I have also filled this prompt for my website. So see, if you can see, the folder name is frames. It starts from ease.jf. The total frames is not 180, it is 40. I'll change it. Let me change it fully. Okay, the total frame is 40. And see, if you can see that hero title line 1 still and 2 I rise, everything is here mentioned over here. So let me copy this. Just we have to go to anti-gravity over here. And in the agent, open from here, just paste it over here and click enter. So in now few seconds, it will generate the canvas and paste all the frames in. It is already done. So it has implemented the code itself, and let's see what's the output here. So let me reload it once. Let reload it, and this is the first frame we will start. Yes, there are some bugs like the whole frame is covered with this navbar half of the frame, but we can fix it afterwards. So let's scroll and see what happens. So as you can see, the video is playing as we are scrolling. So as we scroll backwards, it scroll backwards. As we scroll forward, it will scroll forward. And as you can see, the text also is coming when we scroll. So this is how we perform it. So the big idea is here is simple. You don't need to be a motion designer anymore to build insane website experiences. With a great right workflow, you can combine AI image generation, AI video generation, simple frame extraction, and AI coding agent to create immersive scrolling driven animations. And the best part, the entire things run directly on your browser. So now we have taken a static website, turned into an animated one, and now have built a cinematic AI powered hero section. And honestly, it's just the beginning. We are going to take this even further in our next episodes. So if you want to see that, stay tuned because things are about to get more insane things. Till then, bye bye.